Everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to add white outline in your Canva. First step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a homepage of Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now on the left side, you can see different options here. Click on uploads and upload your required photo. Here I have already uploaded this picture, so I'm going to use this picture as an example. Simply drag this picture into the screen. After that, you can see this duplicate option on the top. Click on it and duplicate this image. And here of the second image, click on this edit image and click on background remover. Now after that, simply overlay this picture into this original picture. Now here you can see this shaders option. Click on it and click on glue. And here you can change the color into the white, and then you can change its intensity or its size as of your preference. And you can change this blur amount to 0. These are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to add white outline in your Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.